Hello friends and welcome back to my farm. Today it's a beautiful sunny day, but the last few days it has been nothing but raining, and that's the perfect conditions for the grass to grow. As you can tell, the grass got really high again and it's time to mow. So what do you think? Let's get mowing. Lass uns anfangen.
There's dirt on my hands, strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand.
Oh my God, what is wrong with you? All right, I think I've had enough. That's it. I'm done with this piece of crap. Let's get something better. Look what I got. The Wild Badger 40 volts 21-inch lawnmower. And look at this. Oh man, I'm sold. That's it. I'm already in love. This is amazing. What a difference. Well, now we know starting the Wild Badger is so much easier than starting a gas-powered lawnmower. But how is the performance? Is it worth the money? I'd say let's find out, right? Before we get started, I just wanted to point out a few facts. The Wild Badger has a 21-inch cutting width, weighing only 53 pounds, which makes it much easier to handle, compared to the gas-powered lawnmower with the same 21-inch cutting width, weighing 67 pounds. The handle and cutting height are fully adjustable, and it comes with a 3-year warranty. For now, let's get rid of this one. And let's concentrate on this. The lawnmower comes with 2 of those 40-volt batteries and a speed charger. So while you're using one, you can charge the other. It's very simple to load. The batteries are advertised as 82 minutes of continuous runtime. That's it. All right, let's talk about the features real quick before I start. It has actually 2 features that I really want to point out. First of all, of course, the start button. All you have to do is press it, pull it back, and it starts immediately. And if you have to move something, if you have to turn it off real quick, anything, just do it again. It's just that simple, yes. You wonder what the second button is for? Well, this lawnmower is self-propelled, which means that a lawnmower helps you push it through the grass, which is a very convenient thing to have, especially here in summer in Florida, because it's hot and any less labor you have to do, it's great. It has different speed adjustments. It goes from turtle speed to rabbit speed. Press the button, pull it back. Do you wonder what does it even mean, turtle speed versus rabbit speed? How exactly does it look like? Well, let's find out. Ooh. Starting with turtle speed. I'm not pushing. That's a nice walk. It's slow, but it's okay. Slow, but not bad. Let's try it at a rabbit speed, or I want to call it a bunny speed. All right, here we go. Now I know why it's called a rabbit or bunny speed, because I kind of have to hop after it to keep up with it. That's just amazing. I love it. Let's clean up a little bit more of this area here and see how far the battery takes me. Let's take it down to like a halfway speed, because I'm not going to hop after the lawnmower the whole time. First press. So I had the lawnmower for a few months now, and I got to try it out a few times before making this video. I wanted to make sure if I show you a product that I really like it. I have a pretty steep culvert in front of my house, and it's impossible to mow it with my zero-turn lawnmower. The best way to mow it is by using either a trimmer or a lawnmower. I like the combination of both. However, pushing a heavy lawnmower up and down the culvert is a very hard thing to do. The trimmer cuts the grass, but it also doesn't pick it up, so I have to go back with a rake, which I don't like neither. Therefore, the lawnmower is the best option for me, and this lawnmower made it possible. It's much lighter compared to my gas-powered lawnmower and easier to steer. Also, it picks up all of the grass clippings and leaves the lawn look fantastic. Bagging grass isn't your thing? It also provides attachments so you can mow, side discharge or rear discharge. Now, what isn't a good idea is to get a wild badger and expect to do upkeep 2 acres with it. I would recommend this lawnmower to anybody with an average-sized residential front and back lawn. It's lightweight, easy to maintain, and easy to use. Just always make sure you have both batteries charged before you start mowing. And be careful around corners. That thing will pull you with some force if you're not prepared. The lawnmower has a 7-position height adjustment, cutting from 1.18 inches all the way up to 3.55 inches. Here you can tell it picks up all the grass and fills the hole back up, unlike other mowers. And you know where that goes? Straight into my compost. Wow, I'm impressed. We are fertig. And I did all this with one single battery. The best part about it, I still have a second full battery. I might as well just cut the neighbor's lawn, right? Why not? I really like it. Can you tell? All right, now it gets awkward. You can let go now. And you know what else it can do? Watch it. Now, we don't want to copy this at home. This is not what a mower is made for. Yeah! And now, since it's so much fun, let's keep mowing after a quick battery change. Let's feed the engine. Ready for more fun. Tschüss!